Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Cloud security can get enhanced with cloud computing. Digital adoption is on all-time high and cloud computing is emerging as a game changer and major enabler across areas. Integrating cloud into your existing enterprise security program requires an assessment of your resources, and business needs to develop a fresh approach to your culture and cloud security strategy. Cloud security is a set of policies, controls, procedures, and technologies that should work together to protect your cloud-based applications and systems. From facilitating video conferencing for hybrid workplaces and empowering smart connected devices to helping accelerated growth of AI and ML through data-driven insights, cloud computing has come a very long way from being just a virtual data storage platform. With increasing significance of data, cloud computing too is fast gaining importance among both consumers as well as software and product development companies. And while these exciting new innovations powered by cloud continue to disrupt various sectors across the globe, it is the silent yet powerful emergence of cloud as a potential enabler to fight off phishing and cybercrimes in the digital world. Cybersecurity and regulatory compliance became the top two biggest concerns of corporate boards. Some are adding cybersecurity experts specifically to scrutinize security and risk issues. It is ironic to note here that data security remained one of the chief concerns for businesses who hesitated the shift to cloud a few years ago. And now, the same technology solution is helping to not just combat cybercrime, but also became a potential platform that can empower other technologies like AI and ML to detect and prevent cybercrime. As the new normal takes shape, all organizations will need an always connected defensive posture and clarity on what business risk remote users elevate to remain secure. The need of the hour is the brands and businesses seeking to ensure a safer cloud computing experience need to also ensure that they work with trusted industry experts, have a centralized visibility of their network with regular health checks and vulnerability tests, and are regularly providing cybersecurity best practices training not only employees but also other stakeholders that have access to cloud network. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. Reliance Industries acquires Norwegian solar panel entity for $771 million. Reliance Industries Limited announced the acquisition of REX Solar Holdings for an enterprise value of $771 million from China National Blue Star Company Limited as it seeks to become net carbon zero by 2035. Mukesh Ambani plans to build solar capacity of at least 100 gigawatts by 2030, accounting for over a fifth of India's target of installing 450 gigawatts by the end of this decade. The purchase of the Norwegian solar panel maker in line with the June announcement by RIL, operator of the world's biggest refining complex, that it would invest $10.1 billion in clean energy over 3 years. Google to give security keys to 10,000 high-risk users. Google announced that it will offer 10,000 high-risk users a free hardware security key a few days after warning thousands of Gmail users who are targeted by cyber attacks throughout 2021. This month's increase is due to a small number of broadly targeted campaigns. Earlier, Google's tag alerted over 14,000 Gmail users that they had been targets of Russia-backed hackers, media reports said. Google revealed it has already provided Titan security keys to more than 180 eligible federal campaigns during the 2020 US elections. Telecom Secretary launches Quantum Communication Lab. Department of Telecommunications DCC Secretary K. Rajaraman has asked the Center for Development of Telematics to start working on 6G and other futuristic technologies. He advised CDOT to focus on commercialization of technology and consider setting up of incubators. Rajaraman also complimented CDOT for its role in developing indigenous 4G technology and ongoing 5G development projects. As per Department of Telecom, 5G technology is expected to deliver 10 times better download speed than that of 4G and up to 3 times greater spectrum efficiency. Fin12 ransomware group is targeting healthcare facilities. A new ransomware group, Fin12, has been found to be aggressively targeting healthcare facilities globally, according to a report by cybersecurity software as a service solutions provider Mandiant. As per Mandiant, 20% of all ransomware intrusions it has detected over the past year has been linked to Fin12. Fin12 does not aim at stealing data and later using the same for extortion, but rather prioritizes quick attacks in its operation. They are behind several attacks on the healthcare system and they focus heavily on high revenue victims. Nothing is scared with these actors. They will go after hospitals, facilities, utilities, critical infrastructure. Byju's stops branding of Shah Rukh Khan as its brand ambassador. Byju's has stopped all advertisements featuring its brand ambassador Shah Rukh Khan amid the ongoing investigation against his son Aryan Khan in a drugs case. However, it is not clear if the company has dropped Shah Rukh Khan as its brand ambassador. Shah Rukh's son Aryan Khan and 7 others were arrested after a Narcotics Control Bureau raided a Goa-bound cruise ship last week. Byju's has been on an acquisition spree, becomes valuable startups and planning to go on for an initial public offering in 18 to 24 months. Experts says now Byju's go-to-market strategy to choose Shah Rukh Khan as the brand ambassador is a question mark. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India News Magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.